Hi guys, today Asus released an update for ROG 3. It came with Android security patch for December. Some of the updates here were country specific connectivity updates. One of the points here mentioned about the improvement in grayscale performance of the display. So is it a different way of saying a fix for Blackrush issue? Well, that's kind of tricky. When I checked my phone for this, I could see a near about 10 to 15% of improvement here, but it was only at specific scenes. I tested this with Prime Video and Hotstar, and that is where I could see this improvement. Do let me know what's your take on this. Do you see the improvement or you feel it's still the same? So the other things which came with this update are bug fixes, improvement in performance, and the fix for bypass charging feature, which would occasionally not work. Other big noticeable thing was an update for Game Genie. It's an auto lock touch function. So when you open any game, you'll be seeing this dialog popping up giving you a small description about this feature. By default, there is a lock feature in Game Genie which you can see in the end, and it can be manually activated. Once done, you'll be seeing the screen dimmed out with the time at the top and the battery level at the bottom along with the missed call notification. To come out of this mode, you have to swipe upwards with 2 fingers and you will be back to the game. This was something which was previously present, and in the update they added a timer to this feature. Let's go to Game Genie settings, and at the bottom you can see a auto lock touch. By default it is set to 3 minutes. This timer can be set to as low as 15 seconds and a max value of 10 minutes. Let me set it to 15 seconds and test it. Let's go back to the game and let me add clock in the mini window. By the way, I posted a separate video on the different features of Game Genie, and since I got a good response on that video, maybe you can check that out. Now let's start the timer. I'm not touching my phone screen, and once the timer reaches 15 seconds, the auto lock feature should be activated. So guys, you can see here that the feature is working. I tested this with 15 seconds and this will work with all the other values. Let me know in comments if you have any more questions on this. Apart from these two things, I don't think there is anything else worth mentioning in this video, and let me know in comments if you have any questions on any of the updates here. Request from my side would be to please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on important info on upcoming updates on ROG 3. If this video helped you, do leave a like. Thanks for watching and have a great day.